In today's video, I am going to discuss about customer segmentation. Customer segmentations are very much important for targeted marketing. If you want to create an email list for your customers within certain region, or for certain customers who has purchased more or who has purchased some type of product, you can do that by creating customer segmentation. So in this video, I will just explain you how to create customer segmentation and how to use that for certain things. So let's get into the video. After logging to your admin panel, you can go to customers. Okay, just click on customers, and from there you can click on segments, and you will be able to see the segments which are automatically created by Shopify. Okay, by default you will be able to see this segments. Okay, customer segments. Okay, so you can see that this one is like customers who have purchased at least once. Okay, so that is like 95%, and email subscribers, it's 0 in this store, and abandoned cart, it's 0.1%, and you can see that customers who purchased more than once, 3%, and customers who have not purchased, it's 5%. Okay, so if I need to send some newsletters to my customers who purchase more than once, I can just create this one, and I can just click on use segment, and I can just create promotional emails or newsletters for this segments. Okay, for this customer segment. Okay, now let's see how you can create this. Create a new customer segment in Shopify. Okay, for that you can just click on create segment, and you can see that this is the query what you have to add. Okay, for that you can just click on template. So by clicking all, you'll be able to see all the templates, and if you go to a specific category, you'll be able to see the templates for that category. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create a segment based on the specific location. Okay, so if I need to create a segment for my customers who are based in Dubai, I can just do that by going to target specific location. Just click on that, and after that you can see that these are the templates which are available. Okay, so if you need to create customer segments for specific for a country, you can just use this template, and if you want to do that for specific province or state, you can do that. Okay, so in this case I'm going to use customers in specific state or province. Okay, I just need to create a segment for my Dubai customers. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Just click on use this template. Okay, just click on this one, and it will be copied to here. And from here, what I need to do is I just need to change this one. First thing will be my country code. Okay, so in this case it's AE, which stands for United Arab Emirates. Okay, so I can just click on AE, and after that I can select the DU, which is for the Dubai. Okay, same like if you want to create it for Abu Dhabi or for Ajman or Sharjah, you can just select from here. Okay, so let's keep it for Dubai, and after that I'm going to click on save. Okay, just click on save, and you can just name the customer segment. Okay, just name it like Dubai customer, and just click on save. Now the Dubai customer segment is created, and you can see all the customers who has purchased from the location Dubai. Okay, you can see that we are having 14% of the customers are from Dubai customers. Okay, and once you create the segment, the next thing what you can do is you can just click on this show actions, and you can just export the customers if you want, and it will export them to a CSV format or Excel format. If you want to use them for other purpose, like if you want to send promotional emails to customer, you can just select this one and just click on email, and you can send promotional emails or newsletters to the specific segment. Okay, so you have to set up certain things for before sending the email. So we have covered that Shopify email part in different video, so you can just check out that video for getting more details regarding that. And the second option, second action what you can do with this segment is like you can just click on show actions and use the segment, and you can just create separate discounts for this customers. Okay, you can just click on discounts, and if you want to offer some free shipping for only these customers, you can just click on free shipping, and you can see that this discount code will be applied only for the Dubai customers. Okay, you can just name it like shipping Okay, 2025. Okay, so this is the discount code and it's only for this customers. Okay, so if the customer log in using their email which they have created for ordering previously, they will be able to they can only use this discount code. Okay, and if you click on save, it will this discount code will be created, and this customers from the Dubai customer segment can use this discount code. Okay, so this is how the customer segments are created. Same like that, you can create a lot of customer segments based on your requirement. You can just like try to go through the templates, and you can find like different criterias, and from there you can just create certain segments for categorizing your customers. Okay, so why you want to create segments for the customers? Okay, the reason is that you can just use this segments for targeted marketing, like the email marketing, or by or providing the like the discount codes or others, or even you can just segment the customers and export them and use them for other type of marketing, like social media marketing or lookalike creation in meta marketing and all of. So this is how you can create customer segments and use them for your marketing purpose. Okay, so hope you like this video and thanks for watching.